This thing reeks of gas. So I fetched the fire extinguisher just in case. I gotta change the front tire on this. I don't think I'll need the fire extinguisher, but this is kind of funny. It's kind of upside down, ain't it? And yeah, how in the hell do you ride? What are you, a monkey? Some things are 2 foot tall. I'm telling you. Don't get me wrong, I make money on them. Sorry for the road noise, I do live on a major highway. Now, I just want to document this and the safety measures I take. So these things don't fall over. That Harbor Freight jack's new to me. I had an old screw jack before that was older in the hills and finally died. But that one seems to work really, really well. I'm going to change the front tire. I'm going to go get me some lunch and then I'm going to go from there. I'll be back. The axle nut is a 7/8. And the jam nuts are a 1/2 inch. God, they got them way too tight. I got my pound through rod, my brass hammer. This one might actually pull straight out. Yeah. And the speedometer drive gear on these are clocked. You got to make sure you get the little pin back in where it belongs on the rotor. You see the hole there in the rotor. You got to make all the stars align when you put it together. And I always like to squeeze the caliper back in a little bit, just to make it easier to put on. We'll go over here to the tire machine. I know the light looks funky over here, but that's all I got. But these tire machines they adjust. You can do a real small lawn and garden tire. I think this is a 21 inch or 22 inch front Harley tire. So we're going to need them all the way out. Yep, it's a 21 inch wheel. Now folks, this could be a rare coincidence that this bike might be converted to tubeless. They put a strap around all the spokes. This has got a weird valve stem in it, so I've seen this before, but Never actually done one. So we'll see how this goes. These little skinny 21-inch tires are one of the worst to change. This one here, I guarantee is gonna fight me. Much better. Now I'm gonna use the curved end on this tire board. This one don't have it because we got to get pretty tight in here, so. Yep, this one has definitely been converted. But there's a real tight rubber lining all the way around that seals all the spokes. And that's the first one I've ever seen that has it. Which, you learn something every day. put some snot on it. Let's see if the machine will spin this one on. This is awful little. You get the arrow right? Arrow, where are the arrow? Yep, that's right. Like a glove. That's how easy it is on this machine. You lay tools down, you can't find them for 2 days later. Again, about 40-pound air. Some guys know their bikes and know what they like to run, so I just keep it at 40 just so they can adjust from there. Some guys are picky. Alright, I'll set you back up over at the bike. Alright, reinstallation here. These front tires ain't too bad. Getting the spacers in and shoved up in there is the worst part. Especially this one's got the Speedo drive gear in it. See what I mean? Spacer falling out already. This one's going to go together pretty easy. Maybe. Man, I got a splinter in my finger. I can't get that little bastard out. Oh, I think I got it. Alright. Uncooperative today. There we go. Click. Now see where the valve, it's making it heavy. I'm going to add some weights here to counter it. I'm going to show you the old school way of doing this, balancing these things. Because if you see this, it's because of that. The valve stem's heavy. So I'm going to guess what that valve stem probably weighs. And let this tire settle back where it wants to be. But this is how you can do it at your home. Uh-oh, that one didn't stick, did it? He's got wax or something on these wheels. Let me go get something to clean it off. And chrome will not get you home. But a little brake clean. Clean all the oils and stuff off. That's a sneaky air compressor. For the video. Air compressor says, nope, you ain't doing it. Alright. Again, this is the old school way of doing it. I'm going to stick a weight there. And a weight there. And we'll see what it does. Not. So we'll stick another one here. And we'll stick another one here. Now we should be good. Yeah. Uh-oh, one fell off. Yeah, I think we're good. So it should stay, and it is. So call that good. That's the old school way of doing it.